Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI and I have found the perfect bathroom mirror. This mirror from Twalsu has totally exceeded my expectations. I absolutely love it. I got the 20 by 28 inch size, but you can get this in a variety of different sizes as well as in a round shape, so you can find what works best for your space. And there's so many things to love. First of all, it's just beautiful. It has a nice, clean, modern look to it. I love this matte black finish around the edges, and it's really easy to install and you can hang it both vertically and horizontally. My favorite features, of course, are the fact that it lights up. It has an LED light function with 3 different color temperatures. You have a warm light, natural light, and white light. So you can adjust this based on the brightness and temperature that you're looking for. And there is also an anti-fog function. So if you're running your shower or you have a lot of humidity, then this is going to keep that fog down. And that function works so well. And I really appreciate it, especially in this really small bathroom. When I run the shower, it gets fogged up so quickly, and this mirror totally takes care of that. So you're able to get ready and put your makeup on and do whatever you got to do, even if you just jumped out of the shower. So that is awesome. I love how beautiful this mirror is. It came packaged really well, no damage, and it just looks great. It's easy to install, and the lighting and anti-fog functions work so well. We love this mirror so much, we got a larger size for our other bathroom. So we would definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.